Hello, my friend. I am really glad you are here today. Take a slow breath with me. In and out. Good. Today is not just another English listening practice. Today is a quiet moment. A moment where something small can change inside you. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that your life should be better than this? Not perfect, just better. If yes, you are not alone. Many people wait for change. They wait for the right time. They wait for motivation. They wait for luck. But listen carefully. Change does not start with waiting. Change starts with a decision. A simple decision. A decision like, I will try. I will not quit today. I will start small. Say it quietly in your mind. I decide to change. Good job. You don't need a big plan today. You don't need a big dream today. You only need one small step. Many people think change is hard. But the truth is, staying the same is harder. Think about it. Doing nothing also has a cost. Every day you don't try, your future stays the same. Now let me tell you something important. No more excuses. Yes, no more excuses. Excuses sound very smart. I am tired. I don't have time. I will start tomorrow. But excuses keep you stuck. Successful people are not special. They just stop listening to excuses. Instead of saying, I can't do this, they say, I will try. Instead of saying, it's too hard, they say, I will start small. You can do the same. Right now, you are listening. That means you are already taking action. And action, even small action, matters. Let me repeat this slowly. Take action, even if it's small. Small action is powerful. 5 minutes of practice is powerful. 1 page of reading is powerful. 1 new word is powerful. Because small actions build confidence. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow. You do 1 small good thing. Then the next day, 1 more. After 1 week, you feel different. After 1 month, you are different. This is how change really happens. Not in 1 day. Not in 1 big moment. But step by step. Now I want you to listen to a simple example. Today I am busy. But I still practice English for 10 minutes. That's it. Not 1 hour. Not perfect grammar. Just 10 minutes. And that is enough for today. You see, consistency is more important than intensity. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. And if 1 day is bad, that's okay. Bad days do not cancel progress. Say this in your mind. I am learning. I am improving. Good. Before we end this part, let me ask you one gentle question. What is one small thing you can do today to improve your life? Just one. Think about it. And keep it simple, because in the next part, we will talk about habits and how habits slowly shape your future. So, let's continue from where we stopped. We talked about small actions. Now let's talk about something even more powerful. Habits. Habits are quiet. They don't shout. They don't feel exciting at first. But habits shape your future. Listen carefully. Habits shape your future. Your life today is the result of your past habits. The way you wake up, the way you use your phone, the way you spend your time, all of it matters. Most people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because of daily habits they don't notice. Scrolling too much, sleeping too late, avoiding effort. Small habits, but repeated every day. Now here is the good news. You don't need to change everything. You only need to change one habit. One small habit can start a chain reaction. Let me give you a simple example. If you wake up and touch your phone first, your mind becomes noisy. But if you wake up and drink water first, your body feels fresh. Small change, big effect. Another example. If you say, I will study English for 1 hour, your brain feels tired before you start. But if you say, I will study English for 5 minutes, your brain feels relaxed. And once you start, 5 minutes often becomes 10. This is how habits work. Now listen to this phrase. Use your time wisely. Time is not fast. Time is not slow. Time is fair. Everyone gets 24 hours. The difference is how people use them. Some people spend time. Some people invest time. Spending time feels good now. Investing time feels good later. Ask yourself gently, am I spending my time or investing my time? There is no judgment here, only awareness, because awareness is the first step to change. Now let's talk about environment. Your environment matters. The people you listen to, the content you watch, the voices around you, they slowly become your inner voice. If people around you complain, you start complaining. If people around you grow, you start growing. You don't need many people. You just need the right influence. Even one positive voice is enough. Right now, let me be that voice for you. I want to tell you something honestly. You are not late. You are not slow. You are learning at your own pace. And that pace is okay. Many people quit because they compare. They compare their chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 10. That is not fair to yourself. Focus on your page. Focus on today. Now take a moment and answer this quietly in your mind. What habit is helping me? And what habit is hurting me? You don't need to fix both today. Just notice them. Because once you notice, you start gaining control. Let me say this clearly. You don't need motivation every day. You need routine. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. And habits become identity. One day you don't say, I am trying to learn English. You say, I am a learner. That day, everything changes. Before we end this part, I want you to remember one simple sentence. Consistency is more important than perfection. Repeat it slowly in your mind. Consistency is more important than perfection. Good. In the next part, we will talk about belief, self-talk, and how your mind can either stop you or push you forward. But before I continue, tell me first. But before I continue, tell me first. So, this is the final part. We talked about decisions. We talked about habits. Now we talk about something deeper. Belief. Because even with good habits, if you don't believe in yourself, you stop too early. Listen carefully. Believe in yourself. Not loudly. Not proudly. Quietly. Calmly. Belief is not shouting, I am the best. Belief is whispering, I will continue. Many people think confidence comes first. But confidence comes after action. You act. Then you believe. Not the other way around. Let me tell you something important. That voice in your head matters. The voice that says, I am not good enough. I will fail. This is too hard for me. That voice is not the truth. It is only a habit. And habits can change. From today, start talking to yourself differently. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I am learning. Instead of saying, I failed again, say, I learned something. Because failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. Every strong person failed many times. They just didn't stop. If today feels heavy, that's okay. If progress feels slow, that's okay. Slow progress is still progress. Now listen to this sentence carefully. Start today, not someday. Someday is a trap. Someday never comes. Today is real. Today you can do one small thing. Not everything. Just one thing. 5 minutes. One page. One decision. That is enough. And please remember this. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. This journey is yours. Some people will not understand you. Some people will doubt you. Let them. You are not here to impress people. You are here to improve yourself. And improvement is quiet. Now I want you to do something simple. Right now. Say this inside your mind. I am capable. Pause. Now say, I am improving every day. Good. Your mind listens to you. Always. So speak kindly to it. Before we end, let me remind you of everything we learned. Change starts with a decision. Habits shape your future. Consistency beats perfection. Belief keeps you moving. That's it. Not complicated. Not impossible. Just human. If you ever feel lost again, come back to the basics. One decision, one habit, one day, and slowly, your life begins to change. I want to leave you with one gentle question. What time do you wake up every day? Not to judge yourself, just to notice. Because awareness is power. Thank you for staying till the end. That shows discipline. And discipline always pays back. Take care of yourself. Stay consistent. And keep going. You are closer than you